Hey everyone, this is your Sandeep and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss few fundamental concepts regarding the web. Thank you for tuning in, and without any further ado, let's dive right now into our today's topic. What is a website? A website is a collection of related web pages and other digital content, typically accessible with a common domain name on the internet. It is a location on the World Wide Web where individuals, businesses, organizations, or other entities can share information, provide services, or engage in various online activities. A website usually consists of several interconnected web pages that are linked together, forming a navigable structure. These web pages are created using languages like HTML, styled with CSS, and may include interactive elements powered by JavaScript. Websites can contain text, images, videos, audio, forms, and other types of media. Websites serve different purposes, such as informational websites. These websites provide information about a specific topic or organization, business, or individual. They may include static pages like home, about, contact, and frequently asked questions. The another one is blogging platforms. Blogging websites allow individuals or groups to publish regular articles or blog posts on various topics. They often include features of categorizing, archiving, and commenting on blog posts. E-commerce websites. E-commerce websites enable online buying and selling of products or services. They include features like product listing, shopping carts, secure payment processing, and order management systems. Social networking sites. Social networking websites facilitate social interactions and connections between individuals or groups. Users can create profiles, share updates, connect with friends, join communities, and engage in conversations. Web applications. Web applications are interactive websites that offer specific functionalities and services. They may include online banking systems, project management tools, collaborative document editing platforms, and many more. Media sharing platforms. Websites like YouTube, Flickr, or SoundCloud enable users to upload, share, and discover various forms of media such as videos, photos, and music. And another one is online portfolios. These websites showcase the work projects, skills, or achievements of individuals, artists, photographers, designers, and other professionals. Websites are hosted on servers and made accessible to user through their web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and etc. By entering the website's domain name or following links for individuals and businesses to establish an online presence, communicate with a wider audience, and deliver information, products, or services in a digital format. Now, let us try to understand how does a website work. Here is a step-by-step guide on how a website works. The first step, user requests a website. The process begins when a user enters a website's URL or clicks on a link directing them to a specific web address. The user's web browser sends a request to the website's server to retrieve the web page. Next, domain name resolution. The user's browser need to determine the internet protocol address which is associated with the domain name in the URL. It queries a DNS server to obtain the IP address for the requested domain. Next, establishing a connection. Once the IP address is obtained, the browser establishes a connection with the website's server using the HTTP or HTTPS protocol. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It provides a secure encrypted connection between the browser and the server. The next step, the server processes the request. The server receives the request from the user's browser and processes it. It determines the requested resource like HTML files, images, CSS, etc. based on the URL provided. Server generates a response. The server retrieves the necessary files and assembles the response to be sent back to the user's browser. If the web page requires data from database or external APIs, the server fetches and processes the data, now sending the response. The server sends the response back to the user's browser over the established connection. The response typically includes an HTTPS status code indicating whether the request was successful, redirected, or encountered an error. Now the browser renders the web page. The user's browser receives the responses and starts rendering the web page. It interprets the HTML markup to structure the content, applies CSS styles for visual presentation, and executes JavaScript code for interactivity. Now, fetching additional resources. While rendering the web page, the browser may encounter additional resources referenced in the HTML, such as images, style sheets, or scripts. It sends separate requests for each resource to the server and awaits the responses. It's time to display the fully rendered page. Once all the resources are received and processed, the browser displays the fully rendered web page to the user. The user can now view and interact with the web page, clicks on links, submitting forms, or performing other actions, and whatever it may be. User interactions and dynamic updates. As the user interacts with the web page, JavaScript code may trigger additional requests to the server or manipulate the existing page content dynamically. These interactions can involve fetching data from the server, submitting form data, or updating specific sections of the web page without reloading the entire page, like Ajax or WebSocket. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. This is your Sandeep signing off. See you in the next video.